Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories, and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. Today's question is, why haven't I got my desire yet? So there can be several reasons you didn't get your desire yet. I will share 3 possible reasons. Reason 1 is you notice or feel that you don't have it. And the secret to manifesting is to feel or see yourself as having your desire, the having of it. Well, how do I do that if I don't actually have it? You do that by saying you want it, and you know by doing so it will happen and you will have it. Having it now and knowing you will have it is the same thing, the same vibration, as they say, and the same state of being. The state of being that you do want to be in. So to get to that, then you want to say what you want and know it will happen. Well, how you do that is by saying a new thought, a new core story for yourself that will make that so and make you know for sure you'll get your desires. Your thoughts create. So whatever you keep saying in your thoughts, if you persist in it or think it, and let it be, will end up happening and becoming true. So say this new thought and make it your core dominant thought. Say, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. That way, when you say what you want, you will get it. Why? Because your thoughts create, and so that thought creates. Which says, when you say what you want, it happens. So then with that, you know every time you say what you want and focus on it, it will happen. That makes you know you will have it, the having of it. Knowing you will have it with confidence is the same energy as having it now, which then lets it in to manifest. So if you haven't got your desire yet, try that. Try it on smaller, less significant things to see how it works, and that it does work. And then you know that the same method can work on larger, more significant desires. All wants, things, and desires are actually the same to manifest. A house is the same to manifest as a penny. It's only your own limiting thoughts that keeps that as true for you. So you can also shift that story and say how a house and manifesting a house is as easy to manifest as a penny. One story I started to say was, manifesting is as easy as breathing. So easy. The second reason you may not have received your desire yet is you have bad thoughts about it. The only thing preventing your desires is your bad thoughts about it. So become aware of that and notice or watch your thoughts during the day to see where there may be bad thoughts about your desire. For example, I don't have any money for that. I never have money. That's a bad thought. You would change that to, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want money to buy that. Or, I want a way to get that item for free now. That is a good thought about your desire. So notice these bad thoughts and change them. I personally change all the things to wanted stories, or saying what I want. Like, I want that item. I want a way to buy that item. I want a new car, just for me now. I used to say for a relationship that no one can find me. So that was a bad thought about my desire. So I changed that to, I want a new girlfriend to come to me and find me exactly where I am. In both the positive stories and statements, when I say it, I see myself as having it, or know I will. I know and see myself with the item I wanted to buy, or with the person that I want to date or be in a relationship with, and I see that I know that a new relationship person will come to me and find me where I'm at. Which, yes, has worked for me then. See my video called Manifest a New Boyfriend or Girlfriend to Your Doorstep? It worked. Step-by-step detailed analysis. I set a new wanted story, and a relationship person I ended up with came to my door, and all I did was use my thoughts. And reason number 3, it may be that you don't know of or you don't trust your own power. You are more human-like, instead of awakened and aware that you are God in a human form, living as this human experiencing itself. And that all around you is like a dream, and everyone is you pushed out, they say. meaning anything you say in your thoughts or wanted story will become true. See my videos called Life is a Dream, and Everyone is You pushed out for more on that. But realizing your power and that your thoughts create, that anything you think correctly can become true for you. If you decide what you want, say your desire, say what you want, and see or know you will have it, the having of it, and then you just let it be, that is a pure desire, and it manifests really fast. Practice to see. Make a new wanted story about something and see how the world around you shifts and changes to bring it about. After you say a thought story, you will get internally led to what you want, or it'll get led to you. If you say what you want and know you will have it, because you said you wanted it, then it happens and manifests. You know what you say will happen because you programmed yourself with a new story that when you say what you want, then it happens. See my video called Guess What? Manifesting Can Be Easy, and manifest fast in 3 simple steps to learn how to manifest step by step, fast and easy. So if you work on and improve these things, you will see more manifestations happen fast and easy. These are the changes I made, and I got better and faster results. I always had bad thoughts about relationships, and that seemed so hard to manifest. But after checking on these things and fixing them, soon after, I saw amazing results. Comment below any questions you have for me. Be sure to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.